In today's video, we can learn about how to use selection tool, shape tool and basic color grading. Firstly, we go to custom shape tool and then select a circle shape. Now click left on mouse, drag the shape which you required. You can adjust the size of the shape. Now make more circles according which type of shape you want to build. Now by selecting selection tool, we can move it together at same time with same shape. Now see at right side panel in properties, you can see color adjustment panel. If it is not shown same as window, you can adjust it. Now you can choose any color like this. Whatever you want, you can choose. Now these are the options to select the types of colors. You can prefer gradient like this, solid, which you want. By clicking and selecting these options, you can use it. Now see arrow gone stroke, which means boundaries of shape text. By increasing it look like this, and if I decrease it, it look like this. So you can understand the stroke boundaries and how it increase and decrease. You can see. Now three tools we covered in this video made you in next part of Photoshop with another tools. Thank you.